Hello and welcome back to the Urban Cook. Today I'm going to be doing some falafel, and what I've got in here is chickpeas. So I've already drained those. So what I'm going to need as well is some garlic, about 4 of those. Shallot, some ground cumin, a teaspoon, ground coriander, teaspoon, some parsley. To be honest, I was expecting too much of this little blender, so I ended up taking half of the mixture out and sort of like doing half and half. So yeah, too much too soon. Couple of tablespoons of plain flour. Some salt. Pepper, and just make these into some little balls. Okay, so we've got our falafel done. What I'm going to do, I've got a little bowl here. I'm going to make up a dip or a sauce to go with it. And we've got some Greek yogurt. Obviously more garlic. Got some dill, olive oil, and lemon. A little stir. Just one dip. It's like a tzatziki sauce, so that's going to be really tasty. And another one. We've got tahini. So I ended up putting this into a blender. It was so thick. One garlic clove. little shot of lemon juice. And some salt. That's all there is for that one. Now we get on to the falafel. We need to deep fry that, so we'll be back in a minute. Okay, so you want these to have a nice golden colour to them, so there's like cook all the way through. So just let them drain a minute, and just empty these onto a paper towel. Just get the excess off. And we'll load up the basket again.
"2,000 years later."
Okay, so we've got our falafel with chickpeas, garlic, shallot, parsley, cumin, coriander, some flour, ground pepper, and we've done a tzatziki sauce, which is Greek yogurt, lemon, olive oil, and some dill, some salt. The tahini sauce we ended up throwing away because we didn't like it, so we're not having that. I think I must have done it wrong. So obviously we've got some soft pittas, which is toasted, split in half, and everything's inside it, with obviously tomatoes, some lettuce, some peppers, and some onions. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.